Open the gates to a healthier herd with Ellie LLC's Brucellosis test kit. Designed for dairy cows, camels, sheep, and goats, this kit offers fast, accurate, and reliable results. The secret? Proprietary fluorescence polarization assay technology, a game changer in animal health diagnostics. This innovation isn't just for the unvaccinated. It works just as effectively on vaccinated animals in the event of a breakthrough infection. Whether you're a farmer, a vet, or a farm owner, Ellie LLC's Brucellosis test kit is here to take the guesswork out of your workday. Viteca Spida, the exclusive distributor of the Ellie Brucellosis test kit, are regularly accompanied by Ellie's scientific team and can offer on-site testing. Contact us today to find out when we will be next in your area. The health of your herd could be one booking away. Ensure your animals are brucellosis-free. Reach out to us and book your slot today. Ellie LLC and Viteca Spida, your partners in animal health.